What is FPV latency?
It depends on the camera. For the camera I use, it's 27. That's what it says on the data sheet anyway.
I should look at the...
With a GoPro, a GoPro is like half a second.
I should look at the simulator.
That's right there.
He's picking up these things like this.
I literally have not.
You're at the maximum. Well, no, that's 375. Yeah, I'd say probably like try 240 or 110. Yeah, that would be better. And then your feed rate, like, see, your chips are blue. That means they're hot. They're coming off stupid hot. You don't want that. You don't want your chips to come off blue. Like, you want to go just fast enough where when they're like gold. Gold is a good color. If you want to go fast, gold is good. Blue is bad. Blue is always bad because you're work hardening the material and actually making it more difficult to cut.
Can we borrow your horizontal bandsaw?
Yeah, go for it.
Yep.
Yeah, you know what you're doing. Safety glasses, all that shit. Watch your fingers.
As best as I have for 6 years.
Mind your digits.
Yes.
You need a.
Do I need to do virtual attention or consider it?
Just put the result for it there.
Oh, nice.
I'm probably.
Damn, I missed it all.
That's Max.
What?
Just spread it out.
I was like, where's that come from?
Oh, you know the Subway channel.
Half a ramp.
You should not.
Really good. Hey, Kaplan. What's up? Not much.